Hi guys, today we're gonna draw Eren step by step, so let's begin.
Now start drawing a circle, and we have to draw these guidelines. Be sure to look the screen if you want to pause the video and pay attention about the guidelines. And now we're gonna make a shape for the face. Now the ear. This line is the eyes limit. Next we have to draw the neck. For the neck you only have to use shape. Using shape is so nice when you are drawing because it's excellent tool. Let me add some detail in the face, like the nose, the shape of the eyes, and the mouth. Now the hair. For the hair we have to use a shape like an oval. And we have almost finished. Now the clothes. This season Eren look like homeless, to be honest. Now it's time to add details. That is the most funny part of all drawing.